We continue with our zodiac sign Capricorn by Cetus 550. Okay, let's do chord spacing. Between chord 1 and 2 is A. Between 2 and 3 is B. And between 3 and 4 is C. A, B, and C. Okay, so let's begin our knot. We're going to grab our right chord. We're going to go down through A and out through C. And we're going to form a letter S. Going to grab our chord. We're going to go underneath this loop and out through C. And we're going to put our chord underneath this loop. So it's going to look like that. Now this is the trick of the whole thing. I call it the pull. First we're going to pull from here, and then we'll pull from here. It's going to make it a quicker, easier knot. So we pull. There's one. And here's the other one. We pull. Now we pull on the bottom of the cord. And there's the first part of our knot. We're going to go with our left chord. We're going to go down through C and out through A. And we're going to form that S. I'm forming the S so like that it's easier for you to understand how the knot is being formed. Okay, then we're going to grab our chord. We're going to go underneath this loop, out through A. And then we're going to go inside this loop over here. Okay, so we're going to tighten it up a little bit so like that we get it again then. Okay, once again we're going to pull through this one first and then this one. So we pull, grab this one, pull, and then we pull down on this one. Okay, let's do the next one a little quicker. We're going to go down through A and out through C. And we're going to form the S. Now we're going to grab our chord. We're going to go under and out through C and inside the loop on the right. Okay. Once again, we pull on this one first and then this one. So we pull. There's the first part of our knot. And that's the second part. And then this is just cinching the final. And that's it. Let's go to the left. I'm going to go down through C and out through A. Okay, we come through here, under this loop over here, out through A, and we're going to go inside the circle on the left. There's a loop. We go inside. Okay, I'm going to keep it a little tight. Okay, we're going to pull here first and then here. So I pull. There's the first part of our knot. There's the second part. And that's it. I've made it simple, but it was very hard for me to find. And here's our bracelet. I wanted to get you through the most important part, which is the pulling. There is a trick for all these bracelets. They don't tell us, but there is. But we got through this one. So there's your Gemini. Work with it slowly. Do your tightening where you have to. Make it all even, and you should have a beautiful bracelet. Okay, thanks a lot, guys.